My vertically challenged friend.
He's a funny guy, that. Welcome to the great outdoors. There's lots of wildlife. There's birds. There's sky. There's these green animals. Very nice. Very nice. Watch out, they bite. Now, sometime in the outdoor habitat comes an intruder. This intruder, sort of shaped like an egg, right over there.
Huh? Who brought up your boys? We're camping at the house with the one.
Shh, we'll sneak up and see what he's doing.
I even brought coffee and everything.
You did?
For morning. I'm smart or what?
You were. Are you smart? You know what I brought for morning?
Beer.
Beer.